Greetings to all lovers of high quality and stylish watches. Today I want to talk about Rado DiaStar watches. The Rado DiaStar watch is an elegant and stylish accessory for women. They have a small case size 24mm, which makes them very compact and comfortable for everyday wear. The case material is made of steel, and the glass is tempered, which makes them more durable and resistant to damage. The watch bracelet is made of steel with ceramic inserts, which gives it extra strength and elegance. The dial of the Rado DiaStar woman watch is in excellent condition, which makes it more attractive to buyers. The watch is powered by a quartz movement, which ensures accuracy and a long power reserve of 3 years. They have splash water protection, which makes them a bit water resistant, but not designed for swimming or underwater work. Despite the slight traces of wear, the Rado DiaStar can still be a great choice for a woman who is looking for a stylish and reliable accessory. Best wishes, your Citadel watch.